where to store your Stanley FATMAX utility knife blades. So when you open up your utility knife, and let's say you want to change the blade, hopefully you know how to do that. Hold the blade, press the red here, and your blades, if you press this red button down, press it to that way towards the knife itself, this exposes a hidden compartment in the handle, and your blades are stored here. Look, you'll be able to take your blade out, add it to your Stanley FATMAX. So let's shut that up. So that's how you store your blades in the handle. Nice little feature. You'll be able to store about 3 or 4 in there. Ideal. So that's where you store your Stanley FATMAX utility knife blades. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.